Hello, yellow Chanel. Time for a new Chanel bag. New Chanel bag. Welcome to my Chanelo channel. Get it? Chanel Cookoo head. Crazy connector collector. Chanel collector. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're going to be talking about the new Chanel bag that's coming out fall winter 2023, the mid-September launch of the Chanel Kelly. That's right, Chanel Kelly, the new limited remake of the vintage new Chanel Kelly. Prices, sizes, colors, wear, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff, that everything I can get. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing and sharing and liking and keep on watching. Okay, so first, let me know in the comments below, have you seen this video bag? Do you know this bag? Have you touched it? Have you felt it? What do you know? Give me all the info in the comments below. I want to know everything else. If everything I'm saying is right or wrong, let me know. Or if you have some other info to add, please let me know in the comments below. I want to talk to you guys in the comments below. This is so exciting with this new bag. The new Chanel bag. New Chanel. This is good for Chanel. Creating a new bag that's at a better price point, that's going to be popular, that is, you know, attainable, hopefully. I mean, it's gonna be impossible to get, but a better price point bag that's available, and we'll see. It's a better price point bag that's modern and new and hip and trendy and has a top handle, all that kind of stuff, and not way overpriced Chanel, that is coming out and kind of bringing them back in the running and bringing them up. Hopefully the quality's good. Hopefully there's no issues. We can talk about that more. So a couple of people have already talked about this. I know Cassie, my favorite Cassie Trudroller Science Thorpe, she posted a video this morning about this, but she didn't have all the info, so I commented on it. Sorry, you know, trying to grow on my channel too. I commented on it and said I have more info on it. Check out my channel. Here's the info I have. I'll give you the info I have. Also, Purse Bop did an article on it. Bop Talk did an article on it. So let's go. Let's get right into it. I'm going to talk about some of the stuff that Purse Bop said, and then I'll give you all the information that I have gotten from my fashion advisors. By the way, two of my fashion advisors, this is a side note, but two of my fashion advisors, both my fashion advisors are Rodeo, are both, I think, gone or missing. I called and they don't work there anymore. They don't work at Rodeo at least, so maybe they got, I don't know if Chanel's like shifting people around, or if Chanel's like downsizing or something because their costs are too high, which their prices are so high, but their costs are still high. Who knows? But he was like, one of my sales associates was like one of their top sellers, so I'm very confused. Maybe he moved to a different store. I don't know. I called, they're going to tell me where they're at. They're definitely not at my store anymore, so maybe they're at a different store. So I had to get this information from a different SA from a different store, or a different FA, fashion advisor from a different store. So let me just pull up all my info and the Purse Boppy articles. It's called a Kelly bag, like Hermes Kelly, but they've done it before in the past. It was a vintage one. They're making it more modern, so it's like vintage but modern. The original one was like this top handle with a flap over it, a flap over the whole thing, kind of like Kelly, that closed with a buckle, like a full-on flap. This new one is like a kind of modern twist on it. It's got flat handles, thick flat handles, just a little flap that goes over the middle part that buckles into a CC. It's all lambskin. It comes in 3 sizes. Let me just tell you some of the stuff Purse Bop said, and then we'll go into. So it's quilting, lots of quilting everywhere. Lambskin only so far. Contemporary flap fastening, like it's the flap and then the twist. Thicker handles that are super, like almost the same size as the bag, and they're flat handles. So weirdly, my fashion advisor that I thought doesn't work there anymore, that told me doesn't work there anymore, just texted me this morning, said he can try to put me on the list for the waitlist. So there is a waitlist for this bag. It's going to be very hard to get. They're already pre-sold out, I think. There's a waitlist at the boutiques. There's a waitlist at all of the authorized retailers like Neiman's and Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's, whoever's getting it. I don't know if they're all getting it. I believe Neiman's is, and I believe Bloomingdale's is, but it depends on the location. And I believe Bergdorf's is as well. Okay, so I think it was I thought it was lambskin, but it might be shiny aged calfskin or jersey. Apparently, according to Purse Bop, it's shiny aged calfskin and jersey, but I think according to Cassie, it was lambskin. So unsure. I will find out more and get back to you guys on that. It's a full leather lining inside. It has a crossbody train strap that's not detachable, so the strap comes out. You can wear a crossbody, you can wear it over the shoulder, you can try and do a double tuck, but it doesn't come out. And there's nowhere to really, unless you tie it under the flap, but then the second you open the flap, it'll use it. But you can use the flap to tie it under to adjust the length as you want. It's small, but it comes with a front flap pocket and a back zip pocket. So it's got 2 pockets and then just a space, all leather inside. The crossbody strap's the chain and leather strap that they normally have over the shoulder. Okay, so Purse Bop says it comes in 2 sizes. Cassie had said it comes in 3 sizes. I was told only 2 sizes, but maybe I'm wrong. There's the micro, which is like basically a glorified SLG on a chain. It's like the size of a wallet, and that's like this big. And then there's the small. So the micro is 3.2 inches by 4.9 inches by 1.5 inches, and the small is 5.1 inches by 7.4 by 2.7. So it's like the size of a mini flap almost. Margot Robbie wore it to all the Barbie premieres. It's like it's a combination of this nostalgia with the future of contemporary fashion design. It's gonna be a hot one. It's already sold out, like I said. Very popular. I think it's okay. So smooth calfskin, quilted, trapezoidal shape, tab closure, thick handles, CC logo. The big bag trend is in, but also the small bag trend is still in. I think this is gonna be a very popular, very, very hard to get bag. There are rumors that the colors are gonna be black, light pink, coral pink, red, and white. My essay told me it's coming for sure in, so the info you want. Colors that it's coming in: white, coral pink, light pink, blue, and black. So 2 different pinks. The pink one is the pink one's the one Margot Robbie wrote, and the black one's the one they're showing photos of. But there's gonna be another pink, a white, and a blue. Another pink, a white, and a blue. The nano micro is $3,000. The small is $4,400. So I'm assuming if there is a third size, it would be 46, 49, or like a little above 5, probably a little above 5. Or if we're doing the right math, it would be 58. But I don't think that's gonna be what it is. But 44 is the same price as their, small flap. So it is comparable to that, which, for Chanel right now, under 5 is, especially for this bag, it's gonna be a hot bag. It's less than any of the 22s, less than 19, less than the reissue, like less than any of their other bags. It's pretty much the same as the mini flap, right? So it's a pretty good entry price point, not entry, but pretty good price point for Chanel. When entry, yes, because their wallet on chain is $3,350, but like high for luxury, but like comparable to most of the other high-end brands for their nicer bags. This is their lower bag, right? Or their new bag. I don't think it's gonna be called the 23. I believe it's gonna be called the Nano Shopper is the official name. Nano Shopper is the official name. And it is also going to be a staple, is what I'm told, that it will be coming back. It is gonna be part of their permanent collection, so it will come in future seasons. So even if you can't get it this time in these colors, I'm sure the black will come back, and I'm sure the white will come back, and maybe the pink will come back. Maybe the other colors won't, but it will be a staple bag that will be coming back in future seasons, so you can get it if you don't get it now. The wait list is quite long. I put myself on like 6 different wait lists. I'm gonna try to get this bag. We're gonna see if I can get it. It is a very feminine bag, ladylike bag, but I want it just to have my collection, just to have. And because I'm a shopaholic, and because they said it was available and I said I could get it, and I was like, yes, I want to get it. I think there's like a special wait list. I think you have to be like kind of like basically like approved to get the bag, is what I'm getting, especially from the authorized retailers. Chanel will do that too. They'll pick who they want to give it to. Like I said, my essay just texted me and he said, I guess he is still working at the store. So like he said that it is available, but it's gonna be very, very hard to get. But he said, we can try, I'll put you on the wait list. So let's see. If he can get it for me, great. If not, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna try to get it just to have. It is a little, it's like, it could be my Kelly, because I still haven't gotten my Kelly. So Hermes still making it really hard to get a Kelly. Maybe one day I will get it. I still am hopeful. This is a good alternative for, more than half the price in the US, half the price in France. That's available now. Recap: black, white, red, coral pink, light pink, blue. $3,000 for the small, $4,400 for the big. The small is basically an SLG. The micro is $3,000, basically an SLG on a chain, and the small is $4,400 for like a mini flap. There might be another size, unclear. Lambskin or aged calfskin, shiny calfskin, unsure. Top handle, flap, turn closure, modern size, trapezoidal, not detachable strap, Chanel strap, and it's coming out mid-September. It's going to be part of their permanent collection. It's Nano Shopper, and it is available in the US. The micro might not be available at all the boutiques. I believe the micro is only available at some boutiques and not available at the secondhand authorized retailers. As far as I understand, it's not available at like the Neiman's and stuff like that. So that might be a thing that you have to get at the boutique or like abroad. $4,400. So let's say it's probably, 4,200 euros in France, and maybe 2,900 euros in France for the micro, which, with the VAT and everything ends up being probably 2,800 and 4,200. So a little bit savings there, because you're gonna go 46, 47 with the tax, 48 with the tax, and 33 with the tax. So you're saving a couple hundred if you get it abroad, but I'm sure it's gonna be possible to get it abroad. That's all I got. Let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna get it? Do you want it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it live? Have you seen it anywhere? I know Margot Robbie wore it, but I don't know if there's been anywhere else. Has anyone seen it? Has anyone touched it? Has anyone felt it? Tell me. Let me know in the comments below. Are you on the wait list? Are you gonna get it? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear. Can't wait to see. all these essays offer me one, I'm going to take all three. I think you're only allowed to get 2 bags in a style for a year, and also you're only allowed to get 1 bag every month, but maybe that might get an exception. I'm going to try. We'll see. Okay. Let me know in the comments below. Have you seen this video bag? Do you know this bag? Have you touched it? Have you felt it? What do you know? Give me all the info in the comments below. I want to know everything else. If everything I'm saying is right or wrong, let me know. Or if you have some other info to add, please let me know in the comments below. I want to talk to you guys in the comments below. This is so exciting with this new bag. The new Chanel bag. New Chanel. This is good. Good for Chanel. Creating a new bag that's at a better price point, that's going to be popular, that is, you know, attainable. Hopefully, I mean, it's gonna be impossible to get, but a better price point bag that's available, and we'll see. It's a better price point bag that's modern and new and hip and trendy and has a top handle and all that kind of stuff, and not way overpriced Chanel that is coming out and kind of bringing them back in the running and bringing them up. Hopefully the quality's good. Hopefully there's no issues. We can talk about that more. But anyway, that's all I got. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.